Hey guys, if you're looking to upgrade your standard headlights to Depo Projection headlights, I hope these are some tips that can help you out with your install. Number one, when people buy the projector headlights, they claim that the light beam is not that white. Because if you buy the standard Depo Projection headlights, they come with really crappy halogen bulbs, because they are gonna assume that you're probably gonna upgrade to an LED bulb or an HID kit. But you can buy the Depo headlights with LED bulbs or with HID bulbs. They just cost a little more. This is a set of Diamond Vision halogen bulbs, 5000K, installed in my Depo headlights. As you can see, they are very white. And then on the other side, I actually have some 6000K HIDs installed. My other side is actually out, hence why I'm using the halogen bulb, so I will be fixing that very shortly with a new HID balance. Number two, so people complain that the cap for the low beam of the Depo headlights will not go back on once you take it off. So the issue is the O-ring gasket is actually very wide. So what you need to do is take a pair of scissors and just slowly trim along it to thin it out, as you can see here. And then once you put that back on, you'll be able to clip right in and seal your headlight nice and tight, so you won't get any moisture or condensation. Tip number three. So these headlights do not come aimed. And when I mean aimed is they're not pointing directly straight for you to get maximum visibility. The stock Mercedes headlights do come aimed because Mercedes have to make sure those cars are compliant with rules and regulations of the road for maximum visibility. With these headlights being aftermarket, they can be installed on a lowered vehicle or a standard height vehicle, so the aim is completely off. How you aim this is there's actually a hole right there that looks like an Allen key can go in, and there's one right there. You basically twist it left and right, and one will aim your headlight left and right, the other one will aim your headlight up and down. I'm not going to go through the details of how to do that, but I'll definitely leave a link in the description below on how to properly aim your headlights. Tip number four, the last one. So a lot of people that install these headlights are having issues with weird gaps on their hoods, on their fenders, and also on their bumper. So these headlights weren't designed to be completely plug and play and you call it a day. Every C-Class is a little different, so you have to adjust the headlights to fit to your vehicle. Here's how you do it. The first part is under the splash guard and the wheel well. When you open these up, if you look right there, there is a bolt with a washer that the headlight mounts to. If you loosen and tighten that up, you can move it up and down, left and right, and that will basically help adjust the headlight inwards and outwards. So that will help reduce some gapping. The next one is under the hood. So this is another adjustment you can do. This part right here underneath is actually a bolt. So if you put a socket wrench under there and basically loosen it or tighten it, this will basically raise this up and down. You really have to play around with these two things to get the headlights exactly how you want them. Again, you can't just install them and think everything will fit perfectly fine. You have to adjust them. Well, there you have it. I hope you guys liked the video. These projector headlights are actually very good headlights if you follow the steps that I included in this video to make sure they are properly installed on your vehicle. I love them. They shine super bright. They have a clean cutoff line, and of course they look badass. If you like this video, hit like below. As always, if you enjoy my content, please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace.